I want to talk to you about these new loading blocks from S&T Machining. But first, let's catch up on stage 2 from the Biggest Little match. If you missed stage 1, I'll link it up above and down in the comment section below. And trust me, it'll all tie into these loading blocks before the end of this episode.
All right, posse up. Stage 2, 10, 10, and 4 plus. Start at A or B, loaded shotgun in hand. Guns in any order after the shotgun. Engage 2 shotgun targets from A and B. At A, with the rifle, Nevada sweep 3 targets using the tombstones as the center target. At B, repeat rifle instructions with pistols. Any tombstones left standing may be made up with the shotgun on the makeup targets.
You got all that? Good. Let's see Shalako Tucker shoot the stage then.
The Japanese luxury
Okay.
apartment. Yeah. Stand by! Oh, sorry. My bad. Stand by! Nope, timers.
Oh, it gets stuck if you don't do it straight on.
Now I can go?
No, don't go yet. This is where I want to tell you about these loading blocks, because Shalako is the man who designed and manufactures these. And while I've already reviewed these loading blocks on Jed I TV, they've had some design improvements that I want to share with y'all. The first thing that caught my attention is that they're now available in colors. As you can see, I've got red and blue and black here. But Shalako can powder coat them in a variety of colors for you. Just contact him at the link in the description box of this video. He can give you a rundown on current pricing and color availability. Another improvement to this product over my original model is that the new model locks, which is a great addition, especially when you have a stack of them in your gun cart. The previous model does have the potential to twist open a little easier. And although the little ball and indent has held my previous models closed for years, the lock is a great bit of added insurance. And finally, on the list of improvements that I noticed, is the new model is also a slightly thicker aluminum, so you're getting a sturdier, new, and improved product. Again, for a complete overview of this product, watch the original episode or give Shalako a call. Like I said, the website for Desperado Cowboy bullets, as well as S&T Machining, is listed in the description box of this video. Hop on over there to see what other innovative products they have. But wait until after you've seen what else he can do.
Stand by!
Get in there.
One makeup. There you go. 26-31. 26-31 and clean.
All right, my turn for stage 2 at the Biggest Little match.
Lucky those tombstones are in the sun.
Yeah, right?
Good. Nice run.
Thank you.
Comes in any order. Any order.
After the first 2 shotguns. Yeah. 2854. I'm coming. Nice going, man.
Thank you.
That is a lot of smoke in the shade.
I know. It was pretty tough to see him, and then you can't really hear him.
Uh-huh.
So, and then I
I just wasn't sure about the pistol, so that's why I took my shotgun with me. You know, I decided to do it a little different.
Yep, that's all right. It's all good. That's clear.
That one's an empty one.
It is. I think you threw one on.
I did.
How about one more stage to hold you all over until the next episode?
All right, posse up. Stage 3. Rifle, 10 plus 1. Pistol, 10. Shotgun, 2 plus. Start at A or B, loaded shotgun in hand. Guns in any order after the shotgun. Engage 2 shotgun targets. At A with the rifle, engage the 3 rifle targets with a 2-1-2 and a 1-3-1 sweep. Reload 1 round and engage the last tombstone. At B, repeat instruction with pistols, except the reload. Any tombstones left standing may be made up with a shotgun on the make-up target.
Uh, 2-1-2, huh? All right, Shalako, I'm ready.
Stand by. Take it up.
That was kind of messy.
Clean! You ended up clean!
That's right. That is the bottom line. I did end up clean.
Never mind the mess in the middle, it's clean.
All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. I'm Jed. This is Jedi TV, and I'll see you in some other place, in some other time. I want to catch up on stage 2 from the biggest little match. I can't talk tonight. Which is a great addition, especially when you have a stack of them in your loading cart. No, it's your gun cart. You can even get your name engraved on them. Da, 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 da.